Hi, this is Cameron at Colorado Team Real Estate. Today, hanging out with one of our top agents, Kirsten, and just talking about getting our buyers under contract. And something that's been extremely prevalent this year is the appraisal gap. How much are people putting out there right now for their appraisal gaps?
It is astronomical compared to what we've seen in the past. We're seeing anywhere minimum 15,000 appraisal gaps and up. In the past, we're talking maybe 1,000, 2,000 appraisal gaps written into offers. Not the case today. A lot more competitive and a lot higher prices being offered to sellers. So, coming up, putting your money where your mouth is kind of where we're at, and we're having to come up with those large dollar amounts to secure our offer.
Yeah, it's definitely something that's made the difference to get a buyer under contract this year. And what's tough about it is that it's money over your down payment. And
Right.
so a lot of people save for years to get to 20% down for that good interest rate, or maybe you've just gotten to the point where you can put enough down to qualify for a home at 3%, and now your agent's coming and saying, hey, we need this 15 to 30,000 or more for an appraisal gap. So let's just dive in and talk about more. What is the appraisal gap? Appraisal gap is security for the seller. So most homes, let's say a house goes on the market right now at $500,000 and it gets bid up to $575,000. But all the homes that have recently sold in the neighborhood were right around $500,000. So the appraiser comes in, they look at all the comps, all the recent sales, and say, okay, this house is worth $500,000. That's all the lender's going to give you. And you've told the seller you're going to pay $575,000 for it. So the appraisal gap makes up that difference. And we see it right now, as Kirsten mentioned, anywhere from $15,000. So if your appraisal gap's $15,000, now you're paying $515,000 for the house, but that's extra cash out of pocket because the lender's only giving you $500,000. And then we'll see full appraisal gaps where they'll say, whatever the appraisal comes in at, we'll pay the entire amount. So if that appraisal comes in at $500,000, you're under contract at $575,000, you're responsible for that entire $75,000 gap. So really something that we have to negotiate a lot, but because prices are going up so fast right now, a lot of sellers won't accept an offer without this protection. And it's really, another negotiating factor that we're dealing with in 2021. And so, you've got a ton of buyers under contract right now. Should people be afraid or back out of the market because of this, or is the market catching up quickly to make up that gap that you're paying over market value?
Right. We're making that up at historic numbers, right? So it's nothing to be intimidated by, and it's what it takes to get into this market right now, and just know that the appreciation of your home is going to make up that difference by the end of the year.
Yeah.
So it's still a great time to buy.
I really don't feel like you're at a risk right now with what's currently going on in the market. A lot of times we'll see a home that should sell at $500,000, sell at $550,000, but then the neighboring house comes up for sale the following week at $560,000.
There you go. There's your gap.
We've got a lot of appreciation happening right now. As the market changes, we'll keep you updated and let you know if this is getting risky. But right now, it's all about just buy, because the prices are continuing to go up, and we can only see interest rates go up from here, in my opinion.
Right.
So I think it's just going to get more expensive the more you wait. If you have any questions about appraisal gaps, reach out to us. We'd love to help you whenever the time's right.
Thank you.